Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to make painting of a mango tree with poster colors. So let's start. First of all, I am making a stem of our mango tree with brown color. Now we'll take up some black color. Okay, so this is the stem of our mango tree. Now we'll make some mangoes by using yellow color. Draw and paint some mangoes around. Okay, so I have painted some mangoes for our mango tree. Now we'll paint some leaves. Now take up some dark green color on your paintbrush and just make the leaves by pressing them like this. One stroke leaf painting. Now paint some leaves by using light green color, again using one stroke only to make the leaves. Okay, now we'll complete the painting by doing green color in between the leaves. Paint some leaves by using dark yellow color. Now we'll show some fallen leaves, that some leaves has fallen down from our mango tree. Okay, now we'll do the outline of our mangoes to highlight our drawing. So friends, our cute mango tree painting is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.